Hello, this is Rogers from Cleggs Media, where I hope you can start your journey as a self-taught graphic designer, web designer, or UX designer. In this video, I'm going to be taking you through how you can get started with Adobe Illustrator. In my previous videos, I've been showing you how you can become a self-taught graphic designer in 2022. And I also took you through the elements and the principles of graphic design. In this video, I want to take you through how you can get started with Adobe Illustrator and what you need in order to start creating those graphic designs. So guys, let's jump right in. So today I want to start with answering the most frequently asked questions by beginners who are actually starting out with using Adobe Illustrator. Now these questions are actually simple and they're just 3 questions. I'm sure there are other questions, but you can actually add those questions in the comments below. Now the first question that beginners actually usually ask is, what is Adobe Illustrator? So most beginners actually don't know what Adobe Illustrator is, and they get started with it and they just start using it without getting to know what it is and what they can use it for and how it differs from other applications. So those are the questions I'm going to be answering first before we can jump in. I actually found a very good description of what Adobe Illustrator is. Adobe Illustrator is the industry-leading graphic design tool that lets you design anything you can imagine, from logos and icons to graphics and illustrations, and customize it with professional level precision. So this is by far the best description of what Adobe Illustrator is. It's a program that is used to make scalable graphic designs, and you'll find out that most graphic designers out there are actually using Adobe Illustrator plus Photoshop and maybe InDesign. So guys, the next question that beginners actually usually ask is, what can I use Adobe Illustrator for? What can I use this application to do? Because you might be starting out and you don't know what you're going to use these tools for. My best answer is visiting Pinterest. I've been using Pinterest in my previous videos because it has got quite a lot of graphic design work, and you can actually check it out. You can create an account and then start picking inspiration from this website. But the thing is, you can use Adobe Illustrator to create everything you're seeing here, apart from the images, because the images are just usually used to accompany maybe the text and other elements of graphic design, just like I took you through in my previous video of getting started with being a graphic designer. And I took you through the elements, which are the building blocks of graphic design. So if you didn't watch that video, please check the description below for a link to a video that is going to take you through the elements of graphic design. So guys, make sure that you watch that video so that you can always follow along, because on this channel I'm always giving you step-by-step procedures on how you can become a software graphic designer and what you need to know, plus the tools and the skills. So that's why I'm here. So guys, make sure you follow up and get on track. So guys, moving on, there is quite a lot of work you can actually do using Adobe Illustrator. You can do a lot of flyers, logos, you can do brochures, catalogs, you can do billboard designs. So guys, keep it at the back of your mind that you can actually do quite a lot of work with Adobe Illustrator. Now, the next question I want to answer is, how does Adobe Illustrator differ from other programs? Because you might be asking yourself, can't I use Photoshop? Can't I use InDesign? Can't I use Adobe After Effects? Can't I use any other product in the Adobe Creative Suite to carry out the specific task that I'm going to do? But keep it at the back of your mind that these applications were all designed to specifically carry out certain tasks. So don't think you're going to actually just use any application for anything. There are limits, and you should get to know that as a graphic designer. So guys, what you have to know is Adobe Illustrator actually differs from other programs in that for it, it's used for majorly creating vector graphics as compared to maybe Photoshop that you can use to create raster-based images. So you can actually create raster-based images or raster-based graphics in Adobe Photoshop. So what is the difference between raster-based graphic and vector-based graphic? So the difference is you'll find out that once you scale a vector-based graphic, it will not lose its quality. So guys, keep it at the back of your mind that Photoshop is used for creating raster-based images that do not scale. Once scaled, can lose the quality because of being pixelated, whereas Adobe Illustrator is used for creating vector-based graphics that can scale to any size. That is why you can actually scale your graphic design that you've designed in Adobe Illustrator to a billboard size, or maybe a mini billboard size, or maybe to an advert you're going to actually put on the internet.